Before joining Champ Restoration and participating in the Detox Your Mind program, I could use one word to describe myself, and that would be busy. And it was the bad kind of busy, the kind of busy where your day is just spent putting out fires or just keeping the balls juggled in the air. I was far from productive, and while I was accomplishing many tasks which naturally pushed me forward, it left me feeling exhausted and unfulfilled. I'm a 38-year-old single mother of two boys who are 14 and 7. My oldest son is a great artist and a lover of football. My youngest son is a sweet and curious boy who boxes and also plays football. I started my corporate career about 12 years ago. I started as an engineer and then eventually went on to work many roles in a Fortune 500 company. I obtained my master's degree in 2018 and currently work as an implementation manager for a small company who delivers telecom and technology services to clients. So while I've accomplished many things and living well, I was far from living a balanced and present life, which naturally left me unfulfilled. I decided to work with Sherry because of the energy that she exudes and the passion that she has for the Detox Your Mind program. Her skill as an educator and a life and wellness expert make her a very thoughtful and judgmentless leader. I ultimately decided to join the Detox Your Mind program because I felt I lacked the tools necessary to live a balanced life full of joy and peace. Detox Your Mind really helped me to see that I had plenty of tools, I just didn't know how to operate them. My life has changed significantly since working with Sherry in the Detox Your Mind program. One of the most rewarding aspects is that I've gained a lot more balance in my life by using my time intentionally. I'm able to focus on the things that are most important to me. One of the major shifts, or one of the most unexpected shifts that I've seen in my life is the reduction in stress that I've had. I have suffered with a diagnosis of high blood pressure for 15 years. I have tried all the classes of medicines, I exercise, I eat well, and I've always had high blood pressure. Through the tools that I've recently learned to manage my stress, as well as through the help of medical professionals, and foremost, the grace of God, I have been able to have consistently normal blood pressure readings without the help of pharmaceutical drugs. Sherry really knows how to challenge your thinking and really knows how to challenge habits that you've developed over a long period of time to help you make a major shift to live a really balanced life. So she's got a great approach to focusing on holistic health, and that encompasses your mental and your physical and your spiritual wellness. So I would say if you are on a journey of figuring out how to live your best life or be the best version of yourself, this program is a great catalyst for moving that needle forward.